Yeah, things are looking up and up for us here in the valley today. We were concerned that the clouds and that system that's passing by to our south would keep our temperatures cooler, would keep our skies on the gray side. Well, that's not the case. That system's tracking a little farther south. That's allowed us to have it's diffused sunshine, but still some sun shining through those clouds. And you can see that with that brightness over the homes there and the view of our Storm Team Skycam network. So a sunnier start to our day today, and that will continue into the afternoon hours. Here's a look at our temperatures as a result of that sunshine. We're already into some mid to upper 40s here in the valley. 45 degrees in Fargo, 43 in Grand Forks. It's 47 over in Jamestown and 45 in Detroit Lakes. And here's a look at the radar and satellite map. So you can see lots of blue sky, clear sky happening up in the northern part of Minnesota and over toward Grand Forks. Fargo's in that area of those high thin clouds that the sun is shining through. And then over to the west, we have more cloud cover there. And in addition to that, if you're heading west into western parts of North Dakota, we're potentially seeing some rain and some snow still happening there. And again, we are on the very northern end of this system, so you might see a sprinkle or a flurry or two in our counties in South Dakota, but most of this is outside of our viewing area. Sioux Falls and along I-90 through Minnesota, the area where we're focused for the snow. And winds are a little bit more brisk out to the east. We're looking at wind speeds of 21 miles per hour. The gust there in Thief River Falls out of the northeast, a 20-mile-per-hour gust in both Bemidji and in Wadena. So that does cut into those temperatures just slightly if you're out in the open. Here's a look at that hour-by-hour planner as we work our way through the afternoon. Those temperatures continuing to look nice. Some mid to upper 40s. Can't rule out a 50-degree temperature or two, especially given where we're at right now. I think there's a pretty good likelihood some of us will get there. Ahead for later on this evening, those temperatures start their slide, but it shouldn't be too cold tonight. We're looking at temperatures into the 30s, upper 30s for a lot of us, even around the 10 o'clock hour. So heading into tomorrow morning, we'll see some areas of perhaps a little bit of fog to start off the day with light winds and some clearing skies. Temperatures at right around 30 degrees. And as we get into the later morning and work our way into the afternoon, that southwesterly breeze will really help us along. And temperatures around this time tomorrow will be even warmer. So we're looking at mid to upper 40s to near 50 around that time. And just about everybody here getting to that 50-degree mark or more. And that will be the first time. If we don't hit 50 today in Fargo, that'll be the first time we see 50 this year in the Fargo-Moorhead area. Grand Forks looking at some low 50s as well, and places throughout the valley warming up tomorrow. And tomorrow evening, still nice and mild, and this trend just continues as we go through the rest of the work week. Friday, a high of 53 degrees, and getting into the weekend, more warmth from there. Back into some upper 50s for Saturday, Sunday, 62 degrees, and that carries over into Monday with a chance for a few rain showers. But it does look like we've turned a corner, that we are now well into spring, and we'll continue to see more of that milder weather as we progress into next week as well. So glad to see this. I think a lot of people are relieved, and we're getting some good melting happening in that snowpack as well. Where there still is snow, there are large expanses now in the valley where we're snow free at this point.
All right, sounds good. Thank you very much, Lisa.